Hello, Otto here from London Car Alarm Company. Today we just fitted another StarLine i96 Pro on this really lovely 2021 micro hybrid Audi A3. Sorry about the sun, it's a bit bright, so I'm going to try and make it as clear as possible. Someone grabs his key, jumps in, tries to start it, the car will not go to ready. Foot on the brake, start button, it just will not go to ready. Okay, so every time the customer jumps in the vehicle, no foot on the brake, start button on to main ignition, insert the code which we're going to change after the video. Receive our melody, there's our melody, foot on the brake, and the car goes straight to ready. Okay, when I turn off the start button on this particular StarLine, we've actually done it on door dependence, so the system will stay disarmed until you open the door. So if I'm sitting in the vehicle, it just will not arm. Okay, so we've left it about 10 seconds. Listen carefully, there's our disarm, foot on the brake and start it, drive away. As soon as I turn off the ignition and open the door, within about 7 seconds it will automatically arm. Okay, so we just wait for that. Should be about 7 seconds now. If I try and start it, it just won't go to ready again. It just won't start. Okay. If we want to change the code, or should I say, let's first put it in valid mode. Customer's taking it for a service. Ignition on. Disarm the system first to pass authorization. There's our disarm. Then hit one of the buttons that you've used for the push sequence 11 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Start button off. Pause for a second and back on. There's our two bleeps. It's now in valid mode, so it's not speed or distance dependent. Doesn't arm when you open the door. It's completely switched off and covert. So watch, I'm going to open the door, and we can just go straight to start. There you go. Straight into ready, we're able to drive away. When we get the vehicle back, just main ignition on, just insert our code. There's our double bleep, and the system is out of valid mode. So as soon as I open the door, the system will be armed. So if I try and start it, it just won't start. Okay, so let's just put the code in. There's our disarm melody, foot on the brake, gone straight to ready. So I'm going to show you ignition off, leave it about 7 seconds, 10 seconds. You'll see it will just arm, or should I say, sorry, it will stay disarmed. It's only when we open the door. So ignition on, there's our disarm, foot on the brake and drive away. Also, we have other videos on how to change the push sequence. As I said, this StarLine i96 Pro is a bit more secure than a standard canvas immobiliser. Give us a call, 02890 60478, 02890 60478. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.